In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to subtract a shape from another shape. Let's start by making sure we're all in the same view. Let's go to Camera, Standard Views, and then click on ISO. Now we're going to go to the Rectangle tool, starting from the origin, and we are going to make a rectangle. Then to the Push-Pull tool to drag it up and make a box. Now we're going to use the Pan tool to slide this over. Now the Circle tool, and we're going to draw a circle about that size in relation to the box right there. And we're going to push-pull this up so it's kind of like a short cylinder, but we don't want to go as high as the box. We're going to rotate this around a little bit. I need to triple click on my cylinder. Then I go to my Move tool. I'm going to drag this over and put it about halfway into the box, something like that. Now I right click and go to Intersect Faces with Model. And now let me rotate this around a little bit. Now with the Eraser tool, I'm going to start erasing some of this shape. And now with the Select tool, I'm going to select on this box right here and hit Delete. And notice how I've got a half a cylinder cut out on my box. Let's try another one. Let's go back to our ISO view. So we go to Camera, Standard Views, and ISO. Now I'm going to draw a circle starting from the origin, and I'm going to push-pull it up. Now let me reposition this, and also I think I should probably zoom out a little bit. There we go. Now to the Rectangle tool, I'm going to draw a rectangle, something like that. I want to make sure it's longer than the width of my cylinder. Now I'm going to push-pull it up. I need to triple click it, and now with the Move tool, I'm going to move it into my cylinder. I right click, Intersect Faces with Model. And now I can go to the Eraser tool. I can start erasing the shape I don't want. Oops, let me go to the Select tool to get this. Alright, let me rotate around and do the other side. You can't make this bar too long, really. You want to make it long so you have plenty of room to work with. Last thing you want to do is make that bar and then have it be too short to fit through the cylinder, because then you have to go back and do it again. Alright, and there we have a cylinder with a square cut out on the inside. Alright, let's try one more. I'm going to click and drag over this shape and then hit Delete to get rid of it. And I'm going to go back to Camera, Standard Views, and click on ISO again. Alright, this one's going to be a little more complicated. I'm going to draw a circle from the origin, and I want to make a shape that's sort of like a pipe, a cylinder that's hollow on the inside. So I'm going to go to the Offset command, and I'm going to come in, and there I go, I have my pipe. I select the interior and hit Delete, and now it's gone. So now all I need to do is extrude this up, and I've got a shape that looks like a pipe. Alright, let me zoom out a little bit and move this over here. Okay, and now I'm going to draw another circle right here on the red, and I'm going to extrude this up. Let me rotate this around, alright, and that looks long enough. Well, maybe I'll just make it a little bit longer just to be on the safe side. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Alright. Now I'm going to triple click on it. I'm going to adjust my view. I go to Rotate. Rotate this. Let me adjust my view a little bit. I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide this through my circle, my pipe, right-click, intersect faces with model. All right, and now I can go to my eraser tool and I can start getting rid of what I don't need. Rotate this around. Okay. Just got to navigate around so you can get to all the sides. Do this side right here. All right, and there we go. We have got a pipe with 2 circular holes in it. And that's how you subtract a shape from a shape.